Hello friends, this is the fifth video of the designing e-commerce web application. On my previous video, I show you how to develop the Remember Me option. So today I am going to talk about how to develop a Forget Password option. Forget Password is the option to reset your password if you not remember your password. So this is my sign-in page and let's try out. This is my database and I use these emails and password to create my accounts. Now we get this email to reset our password. We enter our email and click Forget Password. It says verification code has sent to your email. Please check your inbox. We click OK and check our inbox. So we got reset password email. This is our verification code. We copy and we move to our website. So in here we can reset our password. Our old password is 123456. We give new password Hashi123. Then we retype our password. And add our verification code. Now you can reset your password. So let's see our database. This is our old password. When it refresh it, the new password is added. Let's sign in with our new password. New password is Hashi1234. Sign. You move to your home page. So let's see our backend code. In here, I use an anchor tag to create my Forget Password section. And I give on-click attribute and give a function name Forget Password to link them to my JavaScript. Now, let's move to our script file. In here, I create a Forget Password function and create this email variable and assign it to the email ID. In here also, I use edges method to send the request, but I use get method to send details. Now, we move to our Forget Password process. This is our Forget Password process. First, I connect my connection to my server and I connect these three files to send our reset email. In here, I assign the value to this email and this query is search the email in the user table. And this line gets the number of rows in the result. It must be 1 or 0. So, the $n not equal to 1, we got a response test invalid email address. If $n not equal to 1, then I got a unique ID and assign into this code variable. In this query, I tell update the verification code who has give email address, and I use this code send a verification code email to the user. And I use this code sent to the verification code email to the user. In this part, if email does not send, we got a response verification code send failed, else email sent, we got success response. Now move to the script to see if we got a success response. In here, if success, we got the alert verification code has sent to email. Please check your inbox. Then we got a model to reset our password. Now we go to the index file. This is our model. In here we have model title, and two input fields, type password 2 times and the verification code. Finally, we have two buttons to reset our password or close the model. This is our model looks like. Now we go to back our code. In here I use 3 on-click attributes and give 3 functions: show password 1, show password 2 and reset our password. Now we move to our script. In here I create a show password 1 function and create these 3 variables and assign into the IDs elements. After that, in this if statement, if I type equal to the password, it convert to the text and change the icon. Else, if not equal to the password, if convert to the password and icon also convert. In this function also do the same things. Now we see how it is happen. In here I type password. It seemed like a password. When click the icon, it converts into the text. That's how it is work. Now we go back to the code. In here also I create reset password function and create 4 variables and assign into IDs elements. Then I create new form data and append it all variables. In here also use adjust method and I create a new XML HTTP request and the data send in post method. In this if statement is success, the model close automatically and alert view password reset success. Now we move to the reset password code. In the beginning we connect our connection file and then I got all the necessary elements I got used in post method. And these are my validation: missing email address, please insert a new password, invalid password. Please retype your password. Password does not match. Please enter your verification code. In this query, search the email and verification code in use table, and this line take the number of rows result. If $n variable equal to 1, this query update the password. This query update the person who has given email address and given successful response, else it gives invalid email or verification code response text. Oh, that's how we forget password process is work. Thank you so much. Watch my videos. Hope you see next video. Goodbye.